Well, it's happening again, and it's going to keep happening over and over, and that's exactly what we're going to talk about for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. As always, I'm Curtis Hyde, and I appreciate you joining me and hanging out with me for this week's Tech Tip. And what I mean by it's happening again is the uptick in phishing and hacking that's happening based upon a world event. The last one that recently happened 2 years ago was the world of COVID. All the hackers and everyone went after you to try and to entice you to be phished and hacked by using the aspect of COVID, and you want you to stay up to date with that. And now the latest thing that's happening in the world of what's happening is the conflict between Ukraine and Russia. And everyone's trying to stay up on top of what's happening and staying on top of the world news. But unfortunately, things like this are popping up. This is from someone's LinkedIn, where someone is trying to coax you into acting like they are doing good work in Ukraine by selling you a virtual Molotov cocktail to support and help the people of Ukraine. But this is just a phishing campaign where someone's just trying to get your credit card information to pay for things that don't exist, to take and steal your information. So what you want to be aware of is where you're donating money, what you're clicking on, and what you're doing, because people know that everyone has soft spot in the world for things, and they're trying to entice and hack and possibly ruin your life or your business financially just by getting you to click on things, interact, because hackers are not moral and ethical people. So you want to be aware of them, and they're never going to put you in front of what they're trying to do for their mission, which is to steal and take from you virtually. So just be aware, this is not the end of this. The next world event is going to be the big uptick where emails and information are going to be coming out. Always pay attention when this stuff is going on, and this is where you need to be aware of what's happening. So there are ways you can prevent and take care of this and train your employees in your business to allow you to be taking safer measures on this. If you'd like to chat more about that, feel free to give us a phone call. We're Colorado Computer Support. We're experts at what we do. You can find us at 719-439-0599 or find us on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. Well, as always, I appreciate you joining me to hang out with me for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. I will see you next time, and have a great rest of your week. Thank you so much.